How to redeem Bank of America rewards. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can redeem Bank of America rewards. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now search for bankofamerica.com and sign into your account. Once you have been logged into your account, click on the option of Rewards and Deals tab. Then, from here, you want to click on the Credit Cards option. Now, choose the credit card account from the drop-down menu. After you have selected your account, scroll down to View Details or Redeem. Then, choose your redemption option from the drop-down menu. Once you do that, after you have selected your redemption option, choose your redemption amount and then click on the Redeem Now option. Once you do that, click on the Complete Redemption option, and now as you can see, your redemption is confirmed. And with just these simple steps, you have successfully redeemed your Bank of America rewards. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.